Hello and welcome to Shopify theme development course presented by ecommerceexpert.net. My name is Mohsin Habib and I'm a web developer and I will be your instructor in this course. What this course is, so in this course I will use Shopify theme kit. So let me explain a little bit what is Shopify theme kit. So Shopify theme kit is development tool that is used to develop and build a Shopify themes on your local machine. So we will take an HTML template and develop this into a Shopify theme. So in the next video, I will show you what we are going to build. So we will learn Shopify frameworks. It means I will try to show you how you can write sections, snippets, and schema, and how to create a customizable settings in the Shopify admin area. So I will start from scratch and I will make sure every time I make the blank file and try to code step by step. So this is not a front-end course. I will not teach you HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and I will not teach you how to use a Shopify and how to set up a Shopify store and the marketing of a Shopify store. So basically this is not a Shopify store setup course, and if you are a web developer and familiar with the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, then this course is for you. And if you're a store owner and want to learn how to customize your store, then this course is for you. So that's it. So bye for now. Thank you. See you in the next video.